Maintaining your yard should be something to look forward to. But without the right tools, it can certainly be a chore. Boomer AG's new leaf blower and range of cordless gardening tools, all powered by the 20-volt lithium zinc battery, has everything you need. It starts instantly and offers serious power, and the oversized nozzle can move a large volume of air at up to 130 kilometres per hour. And there are 5 speeds to select from to best suit the job you're doing. Being lithium powered, it's zero maintenance, with quieter operation, no fueling up or fumes. Thanks to its lightweight design and ergonomic controls, you can get the job done with ease. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy the convenience of premium, rechargeable, cordless technology. Buy smart. Buy a Boomer.